Are you ready for Mari Mari?
Hello, sir. Okay, my name is Yvonne. Okay, I am your in-house guide for today. So I will bring you all together with another family later on, and I will do a short briefing so you have the idea what we're going to do today.
Welcome to a journey back in time to the heart of Borneo's heritage. We're about to step into Mari Mari Cultural Village, a living museum dedicated to preserving the traditions and lifestyles of Sabah's indigenous communities.
Back then in Sabah, we are very popular with the head hunting expedition, and the community is well known as Lundaye and Murut. But between the two groups, the fierce head hunter belongs to Murut.
At Mari Mari, we'll explore the unique lifestyles of 5 different ethnic tribes, each with their own fascinating customs, homes, and ways of life, from the rice-farming Katazan Dusun to the seafaring Bejo, and even the once-feared head-hunting Murut tribe.
Storage, which is the rice that still have its house. Okay, so this is their storage looks like, and in their language, the name is tangkop. And then how do they protect their supplies from the bad people? It's by using the black magic, okay, where it's also in the same path of their religion. So their religion back then.
Entering the first house at Mari Mari Cultural Village, we begin our journey into the diverse cultures of Sabah's indigenous groups. Each house reveals unique traditions and lifestyles, inviting us to explore and learn.
Alright, on this area you will try the dish of the Dusun community, and the name in their language they call it linapak. Okay, so basically it's a bamboo cooking, and they will use a small type of bamboo tube, and the ingredients contains chicken meat, potato, salt for the taste, onion, and chili. And
Nice.
nice. And currently in Mari Mari we have 2 species of stingless bee. So this is how it looks like of their bee wax. Okay, you can see this is how sticky is the bee wax. Okay, they are good in making music instruments. They will use this bee wax as a glue, okay, for some kind of their tools and also their instruments. Okay. So everyone, this is the example of the longhouse for Rungus community.
Watch as the skilled villagers demonstrate the ancient art of fire making using bamboo. This time-honored technique highlights the ingenuity of Sabah's indigenous people. Have you ever tried making fire this way, or do you know other traditional methods? Share your experiences in the comments below.
Yay! Let's give a round of applause.
Visiting Mari Mari Cultural Village is essential for anyone in Sabah. The village tour provides a genuine insight into the lives of Borneo's indigenous peoples. Learn about their traditions, see their homes, and discover how they've maintained their cultural identity over generations. This experience offers more than just a glimpse. It's a direct connection to the history and ongoing story of these remarkable communities.
Water. And what is the benefit from the drink? It's good for your stomach, good for your sleep, and also your headache after your hangover.
Run!
I allow you to enter my village, Kasayanatam, which means welcome to your arrival in Murut language. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our leader.
Entering the Murut village, we are reminded of their past as some of the most feared headhunters in Borneo. Their formidable reputation is a stark contrast to the welcoming atmosphere we experience today. As we walk towards the house, we're about to discover a fascinating aspect of their culture, the indoor trampoline, or lansaran. Originally used during harvest festivals, the lansaran symbolized joy and prosperity, with villagers jumping to reach prizes as a sign of good fortune. This traditional trampoline now invites us to not only witness, but also participate in a piece of Murut history, connecting past and present in a unique and engaging way. As our journey through the Murut village concludes with a mesmerizing dance show, we reflect on the rich tapestry of cultures we've explored today at Marimari Cultural Village. A special thanks to Yvonne for guiding us through this unforgettable experience. If you've enjoyed this tour and want to see more amazing cultural adventures, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and share this video with friends. Your support helps us bring more incredible stories like this to you. Thank you for watching and being a part of our journey.